Hey guys, Bill Phelan over at the Plasma Infusion. I have the Swords OneA light battle counter for Pachinko, and just showing you off how to connect one. These come with a transformer, so it works off of US power. You can hook it right to the wall. Don't have to worry about wiring anything. No 24-volt issues. This is all set up and ready to go. It has the, of course, call button to get the parlor girl to come over. Comes with a wall mounting bracket. These can be just screwed to the wall above your machine, and then the pachinko or the counter attaches, just slides right onto and clips into that counter. We've snapped off the lock, so you can remove it because we don't want it to lock. And comes with a little instruction manual just to kind of point out where everything goes. The attachments are on the spring-loaded connections that belong with most modern pachinkos. If you have one before, I'd say 2008, you may have to solder these on. But they're pretty easy attachments. They're in the clip. Hold on, things are touching. A big win is that. Shows you the coins lining up. A little win is one of these right here. A little win. And a counter that's going to count off balls in the side pockets will be like that. We'll count off. We've marked it. If you Google Translate the tags here, you can also see it. It says the same thing. The bonus, the little wing, big win. But people just get it for the cool color, so you're not really statting things. This button here will allow you to go through the stats for the machine. It does retain stats, but otherwise, people like it just for the cool extra lights to their machine. There you go. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy.